most awaited song Bolo Har Har from Ajay Devgan's film Shivai has finally released, and it's solid and most energetic song of the year. The voice of Mohit Chauhan, Sukhwinder Singh, Megha Sriram, Delton and Badshah makes the song even more beautiful. The lyrics of the song and music is the USP of the song. Well, the film has already created a huge buzz amongst the masses for its special effects and action stunts. Most especially, Ajay is not only the actor but also the director and producer of the film. Also, the film is in the news for controversy between Ajay and Ae Dil Hai Mushkil's director Karan Johar, as their film is clashing on the same date. Well, fans are eagerly waiting for the action drama Shivai. So aren't you guys excited for the supernatural flick? Do let us know in the comments section below.
India's biggest reality show Bigg Boss is back with its 10th season, and this time the spotlight is on the host Salman Khan, who is at his quirkiest best. Bhai is donning different avatars for the show's promo. Well, the first promo of Bigg Boss 10 had Sallu in an astronaut avatar, and in the other promo, one sees him revisiting his Sultan's avatar, and in the next he turns into Desi Indiana Jones. And now our superstar is back with another promo where Sallu can be seen talking about weird contestants who may enter Bigg Boss 10. Well, he can be seen in suit boot, and we must say, in this gentleman look, he looks really dashing. है ना? The actor has a cool demeanor and suave personality, and he really looks very stylish in this. Well, we know the show's new angle of having common people participating with celebrities. And we can definitely say that Bigg Boss 10 will be exciting and zara hatke. What say people?
Oh my god! Did Katrina Kaif force Salman Khan to promote her film Baar Baar Dekho? Well, it seems like. Recently, Salman posted a video in which he merged two famous dialogues from Baar Baar Dekho and Freaky Ali. In this mashup video, he said the unique dialogues Kala Chashma, Chaddi Chaddi, Kala Chashma, Chaddi Chaddi. Wow, isn't that so funny? Well, as we all know that Salman's brother Sohail Khan's Freaky Ali and Kat's Baar Baar Dekho were clashing on the same day. So this gives rise to speculations that this has to be Katrina who made him do it, or at least the reason behind this, है ना? After all, Salman had earlier posted a video with a child standing beside him, speaking Nawazuddin's Chaddi dialogues from Freaky Ali. So, what do you think? Is she the only reason behind posting a video? Do let us know in the comments section below. Salman Khan is one man with a brave heart who's loaded with immense grit and determination. Known for his charitable work, be it for educating the underprivileged, giving monetary help for medical issues through his own Being Human Foundation, he has stood by many causes so far. And another unique thing that he did is, he happens to be the first bone marrow donor in the country. Yes, you heard it right. He donated bone marrow for the little girl Pooja, who was in need for bone marrow transplant. Surprisingly, the act just comes days after the actor had pledged to Marrow Donor Registry India, and he kept his promise by donating the same. Isn't he one trustworthy man in the B-Town? No wonder he has gathered enough people in his life who stand by him when need be. But sadly, media has always misunderstood him, and each act of his is called a publicity stunt. Don't you people think so?
Well, we all know that Salman Khan is currently shooting for Kabir Khan's Tube Light in Manali, and later he was spotted in a check shirt with a sweater over it. This seems to be the final look of Salman's character in Tube Light. But have you noticed one thing? Salman's look is reminding us of his recent films Sultan and Bajrangi Bhaijaan, where also he was dressed in similar sweaters for certain scenes. Well, we all know that whenever Sallu came in this type of looks, he has always been loved by his fans, है ना? After all, Bhai will always be unique. Whatever he wears, it becomes a style. Reportedly, the shooting schedule in the region is to proceed for a period of 4 weeks. Well, the film also stars his brother Sohail Khan and Chinese actress Zuzu. The film is slated to release on Eid 2017. So, are you excited or not to see Sallu in a sweater look again? Do let us know.
Bhaijan, who's ruling the roost, has always been vocal about his thoughts, and during the recent Freaky Ali promotions in Dubai, he spoke about critics in general. And this is what he had to say. Exactly the same, because it's all about people going to theatres and liking what they watch. The judgment day for a film is when it releases and people go and watch it. Today, there are a whole lot of people who were once desperately trying to make films but were unable to do so. They ended up becoming critics. They want to pass judgment on films before they even release. You hold special trials and screenings for them, and all it takes is one tweet to show how powerful they are. At the end of the day, what we do are paid jobs. So I don't think anyone has a right to have an opinion on somebody's sweat and blood. The person who goes into the theatre, the fans are the only people who have the right to say, हमको अच्छी लगी या बुरी लगी. So people, do you agree? Now here are a few pictures from Bhaijan's alleged girlfriend Ulia Vantur, and they will melt your heart away. Ulia is currently out of India but is making most of it by spending good amount of time with her close people. But minus Bhai, sad indeed. She shared these pictures on her Twitter handle and looks like she's having a blast with best friend and her daughter. Don't they look adorable together? The caption also added a lot of warm feeling, isn't it? It seems the little girl in the frame happens to be her goddaughter. Imagine who would be her godfather? Yes, Sallu indeed. Isn't that little girl lucky? Ulia used to accompany Bhai during his shoots, but due to visa issues had to return to her motherland. Never mind, since there's a huge buzz amongst the B-town that both would settle down very soon. Well, leave that aside and let your eyes grab these wonderful pictures. Do let us know, how did you find them?
Hello Sallu fans! We are back with another snap of your favorite superstar from sets of Tube Light. And well, guess who was seen with him in Manali? Well, it is none other than his baby sister Arpita's hubby Ayush Sharma. We have told you already that Bhaijan Salman Khan is busy with his second schedule of his upcoming movie Tube Light. And now, in these pictures which were posted on social handle Twitter, Ayush Sharma was spotted on the sets of the movie in Manali. Well, has he come up there to support Sallu? Or he's also playing a side role in the film? Who knows? But this picture definitely shows that Salman bonds very well with Ayush, isn't it? Sallu has collaborated with Kabir Khan again. And we are sure that he'll bring another blockbuster movie to hit silver screen and break all the records. Don't you think so? Do let us know. It isn't a secret that Salman Khan adores kids, and his Being Human Foundation is all about the welfare of these children. Look what we have for you. Well, we have some pictures of your favorite superstar who was seen surrounded with children on the sets of Tube Light in Manali. Well, Sallu is very fond of kids and he loves to play with the little ones. The superstar has been spotted entertaining and spending time with the kids on sets of many films. है ना? And now, we have some pictures of Bhaijan where we can see him surrounded with kids in Manali. The superstar received a warm welcome from his kiddie fans in Manali. The actor flew to the heaven on earth to begin with the next schedule of Kabir Khan's next flick Tube Light. And he was more than happy to greet the little ones and take a few pictures with them. So people, what do you think of this sweet gesture of Salman Khan? Do let us know. Hello Sallu fans! Bollywood Spy has been bringing you all the updates of Salman Khan's upcoming film Tube Light. And now, here we are again with a very interesting news. Well, college girl Nanjim Lamo has been signed by director Kabir Khan as the duplicate of Zuzu for his next flick. Well, the news is doing the rounds that Kabir was looking for a body double who knows how to drive a car and ride both cycle and motorcycle. And in his hunt for this girl, he met Nanjim, who not only looks similar to Zuzu but also mesmerized Kabir with her special abilities to ride the vehicles. Isn't that exciting? And here are some of her pictures with the director. And she's also making her debut in the Hindi cinema with Tube Light. So now, with two Chinese actresses, the interest quotient for Tube Light has also increased a lot. So people, are you excited or not for Tube Light?
As we all know that Ajay Devgan Shivai will be clashing with Karan Johar's Ae Dil Hai Mushkil, with stars Aishwarya Rai Bachchan, Ranbir Kapoor, Anushka Sharma and Fawad Khan in the lead role. Well, due to the clash, both the filmmakers are using their best way of promotions to promote their respective films. But now, Ajay has a MasterCard rolled up in his sleeves to beat this Ae Dil Hai Mushkil's title track, Hangover. The Shivai actor has managed to get the British pop rock band The Vamps to collaborate on the soundtrack of Shivai. Can you believe it? Well, Ajay just shared a few seconds making the video of The Vamps' rendition for Shivai, and boy, seems like it's going to be one hell of a song this year. Wow, it seems like we're going to see a solid battle during Diwali, Henna? Oh my, can't wait to see who wins the battle. What are your thoughts? Do let us know in the comments section below.
Karan Johar will soon be back with his hugely popular and controversial talk show Coffee with Karan. But unlike the previous seasons, the first guest will be Fawad Khan. Well, the invite may come as a surprise to many fans as the popular chat show won't see Kejo and his best friend Shah Rukh Khan. Reports are making rounds that the Kapoor and Sons maker has confirmed his first guest will be Fawad and has plans to make the season more interesting. Well, FK's popularity is increasing by each movie, isn't it? But now the question pops up that who will be the other guest along with Fawad? According to close sources, either Deepika Padukone or Fawad's Kapoor and Sons co-star Alia Bhatt might be joining him on Karan's couch. Well, which heroine according to you should be a guest on Karan's show alongside Fawad? Let us know. Well, we all know that Ranbir Kapoor and Aishwarya Rai Bachchan's Ae Dil Hai Mushkil's teaser has been praised by the masses as well as the B-Town celebs. And now, Ranbir's ex-girlfriend Katrina Kaif has recently talked about the teaser. Interestingly, in an interview, the Baar Baar Dekho actress was all in praise for director Karan Johar but made sure that she's not mentioning Ranbir Kapoor's name anywhere. She said, a film after a while from the director who brought us films like Kuch Kuch Hota Hai, Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gham and Student of the Year. It's an exciting time for all the audience. Whoa, it seems like the actress has finally moved on from the breakup pain. And we are looking forward to her next release, Baar Baar Dekho, in which she's paired opposite Siddharth Malhotra. So, what do you think about her shocking reaction? Do let us know in the comment section below.
Look who promotes Katrina Kaif's movie Baar Baar Dekho. Any guesses? Bhaijan himself took to Twitter and posted a video urging people to go and watch Baar Baar Dekho. Now, isn't that sweet of him? No wonder he's the most loved Khan in the entire B-Town. Don't you guys agree? One knows the impact Bhai can do to uplift a film since he has humongous fan following who do whatever he says. Haven't we witnessed Akshay Kumar's film Rushdom, which did get a huge response after his video? Moreover, Kat and Bhai have a different equation and would definitely do anything for her. They both once shared a wonderful relationship which did face rough winds. But Bhai let bygones be bygones and has stood rock solid behind Kat whenever she needed any sort of help. And quite rightly, Bhaijan is named as man with a big heart. What do you guys think? Do let us know. As we all know that while shooting in Ladakh for Kabir Khan's tube-light Bhaijan Salman Khan had visited S&M Hospital of Leh. Also, he expressed his wish to help the poor children of Ladakh who are suffering from cardiac issues. And guess what? This year, Salu's Being Human Foundation did a free pediatric heart surgery for Ladakhi and Tibetan children at the TVC school, Cholkamsar, along with Ladakh Heart Foundation. Now, isn't that sweet? After all, Being Human has always been helping others, be it in the field of education or health sector. Well, Salman is indeed a masiha for many, hai na? His helping nature has always been an example for every aspiring social worker. He's truly sabki aan, sabki shaan, sabke ek bhaijan. So what do you think about this bhaijan's philanthropic work? Do let us know in the comment section below.
Hello people, we have some pictures of the beautiful office of the Being Human Foundation. Now isn't that a perfect place to work? This beautiful Being Human office is made by architect Arbaises Ashley. Equipped with all the facilities, it is an epitome of world-class infrastructure. Don't you think so? Well, our Bhaijan Salman Khan is not only famous for his natural charisma, incredible acting, good looks and well-maintained physique, but also very famous for his incomparable work in the field of social service and welfare of the society. I am sure all of us know about his foundation Being Human, which is a Mumbai-based charity that works in education and healthcare for the underprivileged people. The foundation performs many charitable activities like funding for education over 500 children, supports the Veer Initiative, which is a program to train differently abled people, providing funding for treating children with defects and deformities, etc. So people, what are your thoughts about it? Do let us know.